Hi, in this video I will show you how to add subdomain using Cloudflare. This is a very easy way to add subdomain using Cloudflare. So this is my domain name. Let's say I want to add subdomain under this domain name. I want to create a new store under this domain name. So I am just going to TNS option. After that I have to click on add record option. So in the add record I have to select type, which type. Basically for the mentioning or for adding subdomain you always have to select type A, and then you have to write the subdomain name. Let's say I want to create subdomain under my website, like for restore, so I'm giving store. So my subdomain name will be store.mydomainname.com. So I want to connect this subdomain with my store, online store. This is my store website IP address, and I am selecting that IP address, and basically I am redirecting my subdomain to this IP, and under this IP I have my new store website. So after that I have to click on save. So and it will not make much more time. It will like around few seconds to create your subdomain using Cloudflare. That's the beauty of Cloudflare. So right now, okay, my subdomain already added, and then I'm going to visit my subdomain. This is my subdomain, see, store.showrofskitchen.com. So I'm clicking and I'm entering my, see, this is my subdomain, and I can easily access my new website under this subdomain name. This is a very easy way to add subdomain using Cloudflare. Thank you very much for watching video, and stay with us, subscribe this channel.